very simple technique and teaching method of division. Actually, it has been noticed that division is quite difficult to teach to children. But mind me, I will today show you a very great technique and a very simple technique to uh, understand division. Okay, suppose I am telling you, you went to market. Okay, your father went to market and he bought apples. Okay, and you are four friend, right? Suppose you are four friend and your father went to market to buy apple and he will distribute you those apple among you. Okay, right? So I condition you that the apple whatever your father bought from the market had to be distributed among the friends by not cutting those apples. Okay, so suppose your father went market and apples are very costly, so he bought only one apple. Right? Now, so this apple has to be divided among these four friends. So the here is the divisor. Okay, yani here is the divisor and here will be dividend and here will be quotient. Okay, you have to be clear about this thing. Divisor completely, if you want to write divisor. Okay, so apple is 1 and divisor is 4. That means the friends are 4. That will be written here, and whatever your friend will get will be the quotient. So now think that is it possible to divide this 1 apple by 4? It is not possible, because there is only one apple and single apple cannot be given to or cannot be divided among 4 friends. So division is not possible because dividend is less than divisor. Okay, apple is less than 4 friends. Okay, let us suppose your father brought 2 apple and he want to divide between you. Is it possible? No. Is it not? It is not possible till now. Okay, now he bought 3 apple. Check it. Is it possible here now? No. Still it is not possible to divide. Suppose he bought 4 apple and it can be divided. How? 4 1 ja 4. Okay, after subtraction here comes nothing. So division is possible here. Clear? It is clear. Now suppose he bought 5 apple and he want to divide among 4 friends. So 4 1 ja 4, subtract it, is the remainder. That means out of 5 apples the 4 friends will get 1 each and 1 apple will remain undivided. This 4 apple given to 4 friends and 1 apple remains undivided or undistributed. Okay, so this is called remainder. Okay, this is called remainder. So what we notice here? We notice here that for carrying out division, right? So dividend at least must be equal to divisor, or the dividend may be greater than divisor. Okay, here the dividend was where dividend in the case where the division become possible was 4 and divisor, that means friends were 4. Again the apples were 5, that means dividend in the next case, and the divisor remained 4. That means you find the case for the division that the dividend must be equal to divisor, or dividend may be greater than divisor. Is it clear? So this is the condition of the division. So here comes a very good equation for checking division or for knowing about division. What is that? That means dividend equal to divisor I am writing again here, let it. Dividend must be equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means in the last case dividend was 5, divisor, that means friends were 4, quotient came 1 and remainder was 1. So for checking any division that it is right or not, you have to check this one, that this dividend, that means left hand side of the equal to, must be equal to right hand side. Okay, so 4 1 ja 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. So left hand side must be equal to right hand side. Okay, so remember this equation for the division. Okay, now suppose your father bought 8 apple. Okay, so you can divide it, 4 2 ja 8, you have to know the table, minus nothing. So here each friend will get 2 apple because quotient is 2. Suppose your father bought 80 apple because apple has become cheap. Now you have to divide this 80 apple among 4 friends. So read the table of 4, 4 2 ja 8. Okay, subtract it, 0, nothing. Now it is 0 here left here. What will you do? You take down this 0 here. Now I told you that dividend always must be greater than divisor. So here is 0 is less than divisor. So the division will not proceed here. It is happening that the division is going to stop here. So what you will do? If anything will be taken down from the upside and division will not proceed, then you will add a 0 here. Okay, now you can check with the help of that equation I showed, this division is right. Suppose it was 81 apple and it has to be divided among 4 friends. So what will you do? There is one digit. First you will try the number of the divisor, digit of the number of the divisor, and how many digits in the number of the dividend are there. Okay, so there is one digit, you try in the one digit. If it is greater than divisor, so 4 2 is 8, subtract it, here become nothing. Now take down 1. Now division will not proceed because 4 is greater than 1. It must be 1 must be equal to divisor or greater. So you will add 0 here. Now here quotient is 20 and remainder is 1. Clear? I think it is clear. One thing I want to also show you. Suppose your father bought 132 apple. Now you have to divide by 4. I am just showing all the division method with the same divisor only to clear the division things, and I just increasing the dividend. Okay, so that the each type of the clarity must be very transparent in your mind, that what is actually division is, right? So here is single digit, here you will try first in the single digit, but you notice that this 1 is less than 4, that means this dividend is less than divisor, so you have to take another digit, that means 13. Now you read the table of the 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. Now read the table of the 4 until it becomes equal to 13 or less than 13, but it must not increase beyond 13. So 4 3 ja 12 is right here, because 4 4 ja 16 and 16 is greater than 13. So we have to carry out 3 times. 4 3 ja 12 minus 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1, nothing. Now take down 1 is less than 4, division will not proceed here from, so you take down 2. Now it becomes 12. Now division can be done in this dividing, that means 12. 4 3 ja 12. Okay, so your answer is 33. I think I showed you everything for the starting purpose, for knowing the division for the class 2 or the class 3 students. It is very helpful to get the clarity about the division, and the guardians also can take help from this video how to teach division to their wards. Okay, so now I am proceeding into the next video. Okay.